Located on Brendel Boulevard in peaceful Rocky Mount, Missouri, this 0.33-acre lot in Indian Creek Hills is full of possibilities. Enjoy exclusive access to a 40-acre private lake, hunting grounds, a campsite, and a boat ramp. Plus, you're just minutes from Lake of the Ozarks and Coffman Beach public boat launch. Love fishing or swimming? Lake Pocahontas is right here too. Whether you're looking to camp or build your dream home, owner financing makes it easy to make this spot yours. Don't miss out. At AGT Properties, we make it easy for anyone to own land in Morgan County, Missouri. Make your dreams come true today. Choose AGT Properties. Investments for a lifetime.